Hey there, Benji here from Freedom Formula, and today I want to inspire you once again to take action with this Amazon FBA opportunity. I really like doing these videos because it really shows you how much of an opportunity Amazon FBA is right now, and it really gets rid of the thought that this is just a get-rich-quick scheme, or this is another scam or another Bitcoin crash that's going to happen. This is right now the most legitimate, and it's not guaranteed unless you follow the actual steps you need to follow, which they're all, of course, in the training in the description of this video. But it is very much a long-term asset that you can depend on to keep reinvesting your money and grow your wealth as Amazon grows itself. And you can see this graph in front of you. This is the growth of Amazon, of their projected revenue in 2018, and then their actual revenue in 2016 and 2017. And you can see that they're growing ridiculous amounts every single year. Between 2016 and 2017, they grew $40 billion. And when you sign up to sell on Amazon FBA, you are getting a portion of this money because Amazon sell your products for you and they split that. So all this growth is not just going to Amazon's pockets, it's going into our pockets as private label sellers. And in 2018, this year, they projected to do almost $240 billion, which is an insane amount of growth. It's really starting to become an exponential growth curve for Amazon, which is why right now is the best time to get in, and right now is the best time to take action to split this growth with Amazon and start making money for yourself and start taking control of your finances and not having to work for other people. Because I did create this really quick graph of a post I saw on Instagram, and I thought it was really powerful. So I wanted to share it with you as well, because this highlights how much of your life the average person spends working for someone else and doing something that they don't want to actually be doing. And the only reason they're doing it is because they're getting paid money, and they take that money and they live life on their own terms, outside working hours, if you can afford that, or before, after the working years. And you can see the huge majority of your life that these work years actually take up. The average retire age is 65, which means the average life expectancy is about 82 in the US, I'm pretty sure, which means you got about 17 years before and 17 years after your working years to actually live life, which is one, we already through the first 17, I'm guessing, and two, it means you got 17 years to actually do what you want with your life. And by that time, I mean, you're not in 100% health at that stage. Right now is the prime of your life, between 18 and 65. I mean, I'm sure you can have a lot of fun afterwards, but you don't want to spend this huge section of your life working for someone else, having to do what they say just to get paid. It's much better to create a financial freedom and create this asset for yourself and have that paying you $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month or whatever it is your goal is, even if it's just $2,000 a month, a little bit extra. And that gives you all this freedom to get rid of these working years and make basically your whole life whatever you want. You can choose where you want to travel, who you want to spend time with, and when. You can wake up at whatever time, go to bed at whatever time, go on random holidays to whatever locations you want. It really is an incredible lifestyle once you have that baseline security of just $5,000 to $10,000 a month coming in every single month from your Amazon FBA products. So I hope that is motivating if you haven't got started yet and you really want to take action, because it's important. It's not going to do itself. It's not going to create itself, and it's not going to pay you itself. You have to actually put the work in now over the next 2 to 3 months so that you can get paid over the next 30 to 40 to 50 years from this one little investment. So if you want to take action now, make sure you sign up using the training link. There's a link down there that gives you the training that shows you how I personally made $124,000 in 30 days using Amazon FBA. Evan and I are going to walk you through that. It's a free in-depth training, and it's everything you need in order to get started in this journey for yourself. On top of that, make sure you're joining the Facebook community, because that's where everyone in there is changing their lives, making sure they live lives on their own terms and getting financial freedom for themselves. So the Facebook link is in there. You can access me, Evan, all the coaches from Freedom Formula. We have about 3 coaches who are paid to help you in that community. So make sure you get into that community. Make sure you sign up for our next training. They are scheduled pretty frequently. So make sure you click on the free training link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to take action and actually make the life that you want to live.